Hello, I wanted to talk about the vape that I got. It's a Yumapuff parrot, and I've been using it for a couple of days now. Alright, I said I would record this video a couple of days ago, but I didn't have a chance to get around to it, so I was like, might as well do it now. This is has a LED screen, fire button, plus and minus, and it has a timer so you know how long you are vaping for, but when you try and look at it, it's gone. I've been doing it at 75 watts and it has 8-second timer for the screen to turn off, which is actually really fast. What comes with it is an extra coil, an instruction manual, and that's it. And obviously a USB cable, but that's it. This has a 2 milliliter tank and an open airflow. You cannot adjust the airflow. And obviously little dripper, which is not bad. I actually enjoy this vape, it's not bad. Also has your battery life to come with it. They're 15% thanks. The only issue I have is the charging bit is on the bottom, so you cannot sit it down whilst it's charging unless it's on the edge of a table like that. And it overhangs a little bit, the tank does. Other than that, I love the way there's a flat bit that fits into your hand on the crease perfectly. It's a little bit of weight, not too heavy, and it's actually pretty small, the size of my hand nearly. It's a pretty good vape. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. I like it. And my other vape that I had was a Smock Stick A10 or AIO, I don't know, no one really knows. And obviously a little pen. That's it for the video. And if you have any questions, ask it down below. I got it off Amazon, I paid for it. And that's pretty much it. Bye, my little rockers.